Hey there! Today we are tackling a common problem faced by developers when working with collapsible layouts in Jetpack Compose. The issue at hand is that the search view is not collapsing as desired, remaining pinned below the top app bar. This can be quite frustrating as it doesn't fulfill the requirement of collapsing both elements. Let's dive into the solution to this problem and see how we can make the search view collapse seamlessly along with the top app bar. In the solution provided, we make use of the scroll behavior state variable collapsedFraction to determine the extent to which the top app bar is collapsed. By leveraging this information, we can animate the height of the text field within the SearchBar composable. The first step is to modify the SearchBar composable to accept a modifier parameter, allowing us to apply dynamic styling based on the collapsedFraction value. The next part of the solution involves setting up the scaffold with the necessary modifiers, including nested scroll, to enable the required behavior. By adjusting the height, clipping, and alpha of the search bar based on the collapsedFraction, we can achieve a seamless collapse effect that aligns with the collapsing top app bar. Continuing with the provided code snippet, we integrate the search bar within the column containing the medium top app bar, applying the calculated height adjustment to ensure smooth collapsing behavior. This setup ensures that the search view transitions in harmony with the top app bar, creating a visually cohesive collapsible layout that meets the specified requirements. And there you have it, a solution to the problem of a stubbornly pinned search view in a collapsible layout. In summary, by utilizing the scroll behavior state and applying it to adjust the search view's properties dynamically, we can achieve a synchronized collapse effect alongside the top app bar. This tailored approach ensures a seamless user experience with smoothly transitioning elements. Thanks for tuning in. Remember to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below. Until next time, happy coding!